These are the tools that I used, and it doesn't look like much, but every one of them was critical. One of the important tools was the sort of needle nose vice grips, which helped to bend the ears of the shifter so that it would fit the new Turn-In Concepts linkage. And you can also see the drift punch that I made here. There's another one, and both of them were used. But the good thing about this modified drift punch here is that you can put any drill bit upside down into it, so you can drift out the inner bitch pin and switch it up to drift out the upper bitch pin. This little stubby 13mm wrench was also very helpful to get up in behind. And again, this setup here was used to start the bitch pins in on the new linkage. A little bit of grease over there helped as well. The ratchet and the 13mm socket here, which is an impact wrench socket, was really helpful in terms of getting the nut off of the original linkage. Plus a little sledgehammer there that allowed me to get in there and drift out those pins. One thing that also helps in my work, because I'm a little bit older, is that piece of plastic to slide in and out underneath the car if you don't have a lift. And then well, now both roll pins are in, so you can probably see I have a new front stay bushing, I think it's called, right to the right. And I also installed a back stay bushing, or whatever it's called, and we'll go in and we'll take a look at the shifter. But it's all in, and I hope in my lifetime to not have to do it on this car again. So the shifter is about 500% better than it was. Feels really, really nice. And we're going to be putting a short shifter in here, and that should even tighten it up a little bit more. So huge improvement, big job, lots of work, gotta have the right tools.